Hello, we're back again with another edition of 3-Minute Cocktails. Now, if some of you are also from the upper Midwest or northern climates, you may be feeling like you missed out on your trip down south to the southern U.S. or to the Caribbean or Hawaii or someplace like that where it's warm. So today we're going to do a cocktail called La Floridita. It's essentially a kind of daiquiri. And so for that we're going to need some rum. Got some Bacardi rum here, some maraschino liqueur. It's a cherry liqueur. We have Luxardo in this fancy little wrapped bottle, and then some simple syrup, which is just sugar water. We'll also be using the juice of a lime for this. So we're going to start with 2 parts of rum. And so we're making 2 of these, so we'll be doing 4 parts today. So we'll do, that's 1, there's 2, 3, and 4. You can set that rum aside. Now with the maraschino or the cherry liqueur, we're looking for essentially half a teaspoon. So for 2 of them, about a teaspoon. You know what a teaspoon is. You can just pour that in there and you'll figure, that's about a teaspoon. And the same thing will be true with the simple syrup. Again, about a half a teaspoon for 1 drink, 1 full teaspoon for 2 drinks, and that's about a teaspoon. You can see it's not necessarily rocket science here. And then one of these drinks would take up a half a lime, so we'll use the whole lime, squeeze that in there. And you want to really squeeze it good, back and forth, get all the juice out of there that you can. We'll set that aside, get the other one in there. One thing to say about this La Floridita, legend has it that this is the cocktail that Ernest Hemingway liked to drink when he was down in Old Havana. I say legend has it because there's a lot of debate, argument about whether or not that's true, who invented it, did it come at this cocktail or this bar called La Florida that he liked to attend. But the reputation belongs to him, so we go ahead and think of it as his cocktail. Now for this we're actually going to shake, and you may wonder, why do we shake, why do we stir? Well, for me, anytime there's some citrus juice involved in it, we want to shake. So we're going to shake this. Shake it good. And the reason you shake it is to get all that citrus thoroughly mixed up with the other ingredients. And I've got, in this case, a couple of rocks glasses here filled with some crushed ice. I think a daiquiri works really well over ice. So we're going to pour some into each of these 2 glasses. And as a garnish, I prepared a couple of lime wheels. You can just split the lime, stick it on there like that. Take another one, put that on the other one. As I said, we're missing our warm weather, so to enjoy this, you can put on a floral shirt, get your puka shells, wear a Panama hat. Imagine yourself poolside at a tropical resort, or maybe in a dingy bar in Old Havana with Papa Hemingway. La Floridita, a classic cocktail. Cheers.